coming up next on Shaded by Jade.
For this summer, I'm going to be looking like a model.
I've been watching you.
Hey, mamas. Okay, y'all, I lost my voice. I don't know how I lost my voice, but welcome back to another video. It's your girl, Shaded by Jade. If you are new here, welcome. Y'all, I'm back in the gym today, so I'm about to get ready right now. Get Celine ready. We're running a little bit late. I should have gotten up a little bit earlier today. But yeah, this vlog is going to be a day in the life. Like I said, I'm going back to the gym with my trainer today. I'm so excited. I'm going to take all my vitamins and drink my coffee and stuff and make my healthy meals when I get back from the gym. Because Selena's in school now, I can't do 6 a.m. workouts because her daycare only opens up at 7:30. But look what I got, y'all. I got these B12 patches. I'm gonna put these on when I get in the car. And I'm about to make Celine's breakfast right now and then drop her off at daycare, and then we are on our way. Okay, y'all, so we are running late. Say good morning.
Hi.
How are you? Okay, so I got the patch on, y'all. This is the patch for the energy. Let's see. I don't know if y'all know, but since I moved to my apartment, we've never did our room. I had ordered like a nightstand and it was too small and I was too lazy to send it back because Los had already built up one of them, and I just kept one of them inside of my room, and then we shipped back the other one, but I was too lazy to ship back the one that was already built to break it down. So I want to do our room over. So let me know some nice furniture spots because I had got it from Wayfair and Wayfair was like terrible. So if y'all know any nice places I can get furniture for my bedroom, let me know. Oh my god, y'all, I'm running late. He's probably like, Jay, he'd be sick of my shit, y'all. I was working out with him back like last year in February. That's when I lost the 20 pounds and I was doing really well. But I kept traveling so much that like I couldn't be consistent, and that's my issue, is like when I travel. But he knows I'm on my way though. And so basically today, y'all, I'm gonna go look at the gym because they're at a new gym, and the new gym, it's kind of dark in there. They don't have no natural light, so I'm like, y'all know me, I need light. Okay, I need vibes. I need good. The sun gives me nice positive energy. I need that. And then y'all, I need to get back to doing my videos. Y'all know how like at the end of my videos we always just do like a recap of my week and things that I learned that motivates me, things like that. Like I need to get back to doing that in my videos. I mean, I do it in all my videos, but the last one I didn't do it because I was just so busy with the holiday of Easter and Celine and the giveaway and stuff. Speaking of the giveaway, y'all, there's this fake page that keep commenting saying that people have won. That is a fake page of me. I do not have that app. What is it called? Some app where y'all can DM people. I don't have that, okay? I will be doing a video letting y'all know who won, and I will be choosing the winner using a online raffle that's gonna randomly pick someone. Guys, I made it.
What's up, vlog?
Are you taking new clients?
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
You taking new clients?
I'm really not, but you know, Jade, you know, that's like my sister. I let her jump in.
I am motherfucking tired. Okay, I keep hiding from him. I do not want to be here. Let's take my Alright, y'all, so I just left the gym. I'm about to go get a smoothie from Kill Me Crazy, but real quick, I just wanted to let y'all know, like, I've been in and out the gym for almost a year and a half now. No, a year. And I was at my best when I was really working out, taking care of my skin and just waking up early and going to bed at a decent time. Like, I was doing my best, trying to juggle being a mom and having a business and being consistent on YouTube and just, you know, showing up for everybody. I kind of let myself go a little bit in regards to working out, but it's never about how many times you give up, but it's always about like how many times you go back in and keep trying and keep trying and keep trying. As long as you continue to try to better yourself and create like healthy habits, like that's all that matters. Like I was beating myself up for not going to the gym. I'm like, I need to work out. My back is getting big again. My face is getting fat again. I've just been out of control. And I'm like, you know what? Call my trainer like, all right, I'm ready to get back in. I never sit in my misery. That's one thing about me. I never sit in my misery. If something ain't right, baby, I'm coming up with a way to fix it immediately. So I encourage all my mamas to do the same. Ew, this is so nasty. I told y'all I be making at home. So freaking good. I'm gonna go buy the ingredients today to make it. This is the recovery. Do y'all remember that song by Avant and Yin Gang Twins, Bedroom Boom? That was my shit, okay? I seen somebody listening to it the other day on TikTok. We have JB in the building. We're working right now. I just left the gym. So we're just, you know, we need to get a new office space, but we just in here working. Every order gets a custom card that says thank you, and I put your name on it. My gold pen ran out, y'all, so normally I use my gold pen, but whatever. Here you go. Flawless Berry and Georgia Peach and free item. Moya Griffin. We just need aesthetics here and a free item. We need coleslaw. Let me get 2 of these. Ooh. Oh my god, ew. 2 coleslaws and then like ground turkey and stuff. She loves this milk. Vinny, look. Got your milk.
Yeah, milk.
Look, y'all, it's plant-based as well. Okay, it's a squeezable smoothie. Yes, you gotta let it thaw a little bit longer. Huh? You can't get it? So they have some more poppies. Oh, the other sparkling waters are down there, but y'all seen the TikTok with the poppies going crazy? I'm getting some pre-workout drinks. Except for Celine, y'all. She loves Pringles. Look, y'all, they got keto trail mix. You know, these are only 100 calories, so I'm gonna get some of this. Maybe green onion, and then some ginger for the golden bowl as well. I had this one before. I'm going to try this again. Y'all always have to keep hot peroxide in your house. Okay, baby, hold on. Peroxide is so good for whitening your teeth. If you ever like on your period and get it on your sheets, of course wash them, but put peroxide on it first. Oh, you want me to show it? You can't put them on. And we get Lainey some prebiotics, y'all. She's driving me insane right now. She might need some of these chillax, okay? Because the girl's driving me insane. Look at this, y'all. This has ashwagandha in it and apple cider vinegar. One for me, one for Lainey. So I got this one for me, and then this one for Celine. This is the kids one. So Selena's about to take her bath. This is what we got from Target. Cocoa melon. And then she needed her own shower cap because she always get mine wet. So they have one for kitties.
Oh, it's a cow. Wow. Look at that.
The bubbles.
Have you in a box. He didn't create you to do everything that everybody else is doing. It's in you. You know what I'm saying? It's in you, Jade. So continue to be that person that he created you to be.
Yeah.
You know, and it's okay. Like, you want to get some no's, you want to get some, well, you know, let me think about it. You might get some yes, but it might not be. But keep pushing, because you got it. You won't be out here living that lavish life. I know what's going to happen.
Yep.
Just a matter of time.
Yeah.
And just trusting God through the process. But you getting there.
It's only right that I gave something of, like I said, of quality and luxury. One thing I feel like my subscribers and the people that support me, they have stuff that I'm striving to be like. Like, you understand what I'm saying? Like, I feel like my people that support me, they are women who want to better themselves, have that lifestyle, but not just want to look the part. They actually want to be that girl, that boss. Like, the people that watch me, those are the women I'm for. So when you come from having to make opportunities for yourself and you don't have the privilege of somebody giving you these opportunities or the privilege of somebody opening these doors for you,
That's right.
that's just instilled in you. That's just what it is. Those are the women that I'm trying to connect with. Everybody else, if you don't always have to agree with what I say. You don't even have to even really like me for real. And that's fine. This is not for you. This is not for you.
And that's why I keep telling you, like, don't worry about how you think you sound. Don't worry about, you know, like, any of that, because the people who feel you, they gonna be there to support you. You know, and that's just a fact.
Let's get that. Yeah, guys, you guys can get a double. Never knew that.
Be 2 bars.
Okay, perfect. Yes, because they go so quick.
Yeah. But it's all the cocoa butter that's in.
Back roll.
So how was the gym today?
It was good. It was good.
Okay,
you know,
given.
before the summer, I'm gonna be looking like a model.
Okay. How's business been going?
Business is good right now. Me and JB.
Okay.
We've been trying to get on top of emails with companies to work with in regards to promotion for the brand. Okay. And then lastly, you know, I think we're about to go to Panera Bread.
I think your camera's about to die.
About to die?
It's about to die.
Oh no. It's like I can go pip pip cheerio.
Pip pip cheerio.
And then I can go wagwan.
Hi, Celine.
Oh God, don't get her. She looks crazy. Why do she look like that from school, guys? Look at her.
Celine.
And then her face is healing. She had like baby acne. I don't know what that was about. But yeah, but we're just enjoying this nice day. I encourage people to actually come out the house and, you know, get some fresh air, work out, jog. Like, I feel really good. So,
period.
I encourage you guys to touch some grass and find God. Bye. This is a vegan bun burger at this ramen place. Okay, y'all. So this is my garage bowl. This is my first time trying sake. Cheers! 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 Oh yeah! Oh yes! Oh yeah! I'm about to do my lashes. I'm about to go out tonight for Keisha's birthday. So I didn't feel like going to get my lashes done this morning at 10 o'clock. I just knew I wasn't going to make it. So I'm like, let's try this. I actually bought one of these before to give myself this lash extension look. So I'm about to do this real quick on camera, and then I got to get ready because it's already 9 o'clock. And I still got to take my pictures. So let's get into it. This one, they normally sold this at Ulta, but it didn't come with all of this stuff. This one right here is the remover, and then this makes it last longer. This is the overnighter, and then this is how you bond and seal. So you're gonna put it under the lash, and you guys will see. I still feel like I'm rushing. I don't know why, but technically I'm not, because I don't even know what time I'm supposed to leave. And the babysitter is supposed to be coming. I forget what time I told her to come. Okay, y'all see it's real natural. If you want it fuller, you would just keep doubling it up. So I'm gonna just add some more. So the good thing is, like, once you put that like mascara glue stuff on, it just like sticks right on. Super easy. And then I'll just get my lashes done maybe this week. But I just didn't feel like it today, especially because I had Celine with me. This makes it less sticky.
Okay, so you better answer.
Overnighter to
Did
make
you
it
agree with
lash
that,
long.
Jade?
What?
I'm the wrong person to manage you.
And there you go. So I got this really cute outfit from G-Star. I'm gonna show y'all when I'm done getting dressed. I'm gonna be taking pictures tonight. Hopefully, well, no, I need to take pictures. I'm not leaving out of here until I take pictures. So these are the shoes I'm wearing tonight. It was so hard for us to find an outfit with this, but this is from G-Star. These pants, these are a size 28. They are kind of big, so I'm gonna see if I could do like that little trick with the waist part, but it's gonna be so cute. And this outfit came out so cute. I'm gonna show y'all the pictures in a second, but I'm about to go out right now. Purr. This is the bracelet set from row 24. Isn't it so cute, guys? So I put this together, but you can mix and match how you choose. She has like a mix and match option where you could choose the bracelets, and y'all, they are so affordable. But y'all know I had to pick Blessed because that's what I am, blessed. I was so turned up yesterday. Like, I had so much fun. For Keisha's birthday, we had a great time. Happy birthday, Keisha. I just wanted to let y'all know, like, continue to be consistent, whatever it is that you're doing. We talk about this all the time, but like, I've been consistent. I've been keeping lip glosses on me. I always keep lip gloss on me now because in Atlanta I always run into people, so I've been giving my lip gloss to everybody I've seen. Who did I give my lip gloss to? I ran into Mrs. 2 Weeks. She's such a big influencer. She posted my lip gloss. When I seen people meet new people, I give them lip gloss just to tell them about my business and stuff. I've just been so consistent with making content, been consistent with like sales and things like that, and I'm seeing the fruits of my labor. You'll be surprised at the progress and how serious people will take whatever it is that your craft is or your business. They're going to take it as serious as you take it. So being consistent really is like the secret sauce. But I love y'all so much. I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you guys in the next video.